Yes, dear students, welcome to all of you once again in new session. And I'm sure that all of you will be doing very good. If we try to recall, we in previous session we discussed scattering of light. Scattering of light and what is the relationship between intensity of scatter light and wavelength of the light. And yes, what factors, two factors, this scattering of light depends. We have discussed. Today we shall discuss the reason behind the color of the sky is blue, and during sunrise and sunset sun appears red to us. इसका रीजन क्या है? एंड वाई सिग्नल्स ऑफ डेंजर, जितने भी डेंजर के सिग्नल हैं या कभी आपको कोई गाड़ी रोकनी होती है तो दूर से आप रेड कलर का क्लॉथ उसको दिखाते हैं, है ना? तो वाई दिस कलर ऑफ द डेंजर सिग्नल इज रेड. So this all we are going to discuss in today's session. And the base क्या है इसका? That is scattering of light. So how scattering of light help us to understand this? Why scattering is scattering of light is the reason behind this. We shall be discussing. Okay. So now let's move to the whiteboard.
Yes, dear students, now we are going to start today's session and it is based on previous session's topic. And in previous session we discussed scattering of light, the beautiful phenomena of scattering of light. Scatter, as this word explains the answer. Scatter means throwing in all directions, While when we were talking about the dispersion, so dispersion में क्या होता है? White light splits into 7 colors. Always, whenever we talk about the 7 colors, this means 7 colors are result of white light in atmosphere. Okay, 7 colors, when we are seeing the 7 colors in the atmosphere or on the wall because of the prism, okay, then it is because of the dispersion of light. That white light splits into 7 colors dispersion. Scattering is totally different. Here, only we talk about the one particular color. Sometime we talk about the sun appears reddish in the morning and in the evening. Sky appears blue to us. No, if we happen to go to moon from there, being an astronaut, we find the sky appears black. तो एक कलर की बात करते हैं, ओके, पर्टिकुलर किसी भी कलर की बात हो सकती है, ओके. सो दिस वे स्कैटरिंग एंड डिस्पर्शन बोथ आर डिफरेंट. यस, एंड स्कैटरिंग क्या था? इसमें हमने पढ़ा था scattering is absorption of light and then re-radiating it all directions. First, absorption of light, absorb हुआ, जिधर से light आ रही है, तो light is coming from a particular source. As on the earth, light is coming from sun. तो sun से light आई, light को कौन receive करता है? हमने पढ़ा था last session में, fine particles of the atmosphere. उन्होंने इसको receive करा, and then क्या किया? Then they are throwing it in all direction. So we discussed one more thing, that there are different type of particles, means particles of different sizes, है ना? हमने पढ़ा था कि water droplets भी हैं, dust particles भी हैं, then particles means molecules of oxygen and nitrogen are there, and molecule of oxygen and nitrogen, these are the finest particles present in the atmosphere on the earth. So इनका जो रोल होता है, जो ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन के पार्टिकल्स है, इनका भी रोल बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है, ओके. एंड वी डिस्कस वन, सो द नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट whose name we discussed last time is Lord Rayleigh. Okay, so Lord Rayleigh. So this is the name of the scientist we discussed last time. And if you try to recall, he gave the relationship between between intensity of the scattered light and size of the particles or wavelength of the incident light, right. Okay, so he gave the relationship between intensity of the scattered light. So I am writing here intensity of scattered light. I means intensity, S means scattered. That how much light will be scattered in the atmosphere, okay, how much light will be scattered in the atmosphere. And he said that it is inversely proportional to wavelength of fourth power of wavelength of incident light. Here incident light means we talk about the visible light. we talk about the visible spectrum of the electromagnetic wave. Okay, electromagnetic radiation which is coming to us from the sun. Okay, so visible light क्या है? It is a part of the electromagnetic radiation which is coming to us from the sun. तो उसकी जो wavelength होती है, and we know that visible जो light है हमारा visible spectrum जो है, it has how many parts? Yes, 7 parts. It consists of light of 7 colors. So he said that if wavelength is increasing, अगर wavelength ज्यादा होगा तो scattering of light क्या होगा? It will be less. If wavelength is decreasing, wavelength कम होगा. Okay, wavelength is decreasing, तो scattering of light क्या होगा? Scattering of light will be more. So this relationship he gave. So remember this point. Smaller the wavelength of the light, higher will be the scattering of light. Higher is the wavelength of light, then less will be the scattering of light. Yes, so this you have to remember. This is very, very important relationship he gave between intensity of the scattered light and wavelength of the incident light. And what he said, he gave the relationship between he gave the relationship between intensity of scattered light and wavelength, and he said that scattered light depends on 2 factors. तो एक तो आपके सामने है यहाँ पर कि wavelength of the incident light. Here we talk about the visible light. Second क्या होगा? Just try to recall. Second is size of the particles. Size of the particles with which it is interacting, with which it is playing. है ना? खेलती light भी खेलती है like us. It is playing with the particles of different sizes present in the atmosphere. So second is size of the interacting particles, or we can say size of the particles which are just tracking with this, or it is tracking with. And what name can be given to these particles? Yes, scattering particles or scatterer. है ना? Scatterer भी कह सकते हैं. So intensity of scattered light. So I am writing here. Intensity of scattered light depends upon here 2 factors. Okay, 2 factors कौन से हैं? Intensity of scattered light depends upon 2 factors. So number 1 is wavelength of incident light. Number 1, wavelength of incident light. Here we talk about the incident light means which light? Visible light. Visible light which is reaching to us from the sun. And second is size of scattering particles. Scattering particles. और हम इनको क्या कह सकते हैं? और we can say scatter. Short में कह सकते हैं scatterer. Okay. So intensity of scattered light depends on these 2 factors. So these 2 factors are very, very important when we talk about the scattering of light. When we discuss about the scattering of light. Okay. And we know that atmosphere जो है, it consists of particles of different sizes. In last session we discussed, है ना? So it has dust particles, it has water droplets, and it has very fine particles of oxygen and nitrogen. These are present in highest concentration. Abundance, these are present. So what is the role of these particles when this wavelength means incident light is striking? तो इसमें जो फाइन पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, तो दे स्कैटर द वेवलेंथ, दे स्कैटर द लाइट ऑफ स्मॉलर वेवलेंथ. दे स्कैटर, फाइन पार्टिकल्स स्कैटर द लाइट ऑफ स्मॉलर वेवलेंथ. एंड वी नो दैट, हमने पढ़ा था कि जो विजिबल लाइट है हमारी VIVGYOR, तो विजिबल जो लाइट है हमारा विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम है. तो विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम जो है, और वी कैन से विजिबल लाइट, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ हाउ मेनी कलर्स? 7 कलर्स. तो ये जो 7 कलर्स हैं, देयर वेवलेंथ इट इंक्रीजेस दिस वे, है ना? तो इनकी वेवलेंथ इस तरह से बढ़ती है. रेड कलर हैज highest wavelength and violet color has least wavelength, है ना. तो सबसे कम वेवलेंथ होती है वॉयलेट की एंड सबसे ज्यादा वेवलेंथ होती है रेड की. ये हमको ध्यान रखना है. तो रेड कलर हैज हाईएस्ट, ओके, एंड सबसे कम होगा वॉयलेट का, लीस्ट वेवलेंथ. ठीक, दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. ठीक है. सो ये हमारा बेस हुआ आज के टॉपिक का. एंड टुडेस टॉपिक है दैट व्हाई डू वी सी स्काई ब्लू इन कलर. Why do we see sky blue in color? And साथ में हम पढ़ेंगे कि why do we find that the color of the sun in the morning and the evening it is reddish. It is reddish. And the signals जो होते हैं dangerous से जितने भी sign होते हैं, okay, these are of always of which color? Red color. Red color के बनाए जाते हैं, है ना? These are of red color. So this all we are going to discuss. So any confusion here? No? So note it down. Hurry up. Okay, now one question is asked generally by the student. Sir, when you are saying that white light or visible spectrum, it consists of 7 colors of light, then why don't we see the sky beautiful in how many colors? 7 colors. तो हम इसको रंग बिरंगा क्यों नहीं देखते हैं? Why don't we see sky colored? Okay, with 7 colors. तो ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता है ना? Very good question. Why don't we see color, all the colors in the sky? Why do we see only blue color of the sky? It's a very good question. And why in the evening and in the morning the sun is of red color? So we are going to yes answer this question also, है ना? तो इसको रब कर दें हम. आपने सब नोट कर लिया? Okay, so I am going to rub it. Okay, one more question is asked generally. कि सर as we have done that electromagnetic जो radiation है which is coming to us from sun, it has X-rays also, it has ultraviolet rays also, it has infrared rays also, है ना? So there are different parts, no, gamma rays also. So are all these are coming to us? Yes. So no. Okay. So we have ozone layer. Ozone layer in the atmosphere. So ozone layer is protecting us from harmful radiations. Only visible spectrum is reaching to us. तो visible part जो है electromagnetic radiation का ये हमारे तक पहुंचता है ना, जिसके how many parts are there? 7 parts are there. अब इसमें भी क्या होता है? तो in this the highest concentration of blue color is there. So blue color is more in quantity than indigo and violet. Okay, so concentration of blue color is more in white light, or we can say in visible light, or we can say in visible spectrum. Its concentration is more than indigo and violet. Because एक क्वेश्चन और पूछा था कि सर why don't we see this color of the sky violet or indigo? Violet or indigo, जबकि इनकी वेवलेंथ तो ब्लू कलर से कम है. So very good question. ठीक है. तो देखो violet and indigo being small in concentration and their wavelength जो है wavelength of violet ऐसा हमने लिखा था is less than wavelength of indigo and yes and its wavelength is less than blue. तो ये जो है colors है तो their concentration is very small in the visible light. So they are scattered completely. ये scatter हो जाते हैं. तो इनकी concentration small है तो they are not visible to us. They are not visible to us. लेकिन blue color जो है, blue color light, it is in higher concentration. It is higher concentration. So when this light is white light is coming to us, so what happens? This light interact with the fine particles of the atmosphere. And fine particles of the atmosphere उसमें से कौन से mainly? Oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen and nitrogen ये क्या है? Molecules हैं और इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Particles. Okay, particles भी कह सकते हैं. Yes. So this visible light will interact with fine particles of the atmosphere, mainly this oxygen and nitrogen. तो क्या होगा? According to Rayleigh formula, अभी हमने किया था. So wavelength of blue light is less than green, yellow, orange, and red. So then some part of the blue light. Remember, whole of the blue light which is coming to us, coming from the sun as a part of the radiation is not scattered. थोड़ा सा ही part scatter होता है. Even then, because of that, we are able to see the sky blue in color. ठीक है? So blue color of this blue color, small wavelength is smaller than green, yellow, orange, and red. तो ये according to this formula, the blue color of light is scattered all around us. So intensity of the blue color light is more in the sky, and it is in all directions. Okay. So ये जो fine particles हैं, they absorb the light, ठीक, incident light, and wavelength of the blue color light, इसमें से जो part है, its wavelength is less than green, yellow, orange, and red. So they absorb, then re-radiate in all directions. जब सभी direction में जाती है, तो we find the sun, we find the sky blue in color. Okay. तो इसका भी आंसर मिल गया कि why don't we see sky violet or indigo. Okay. And moreover, our eyes are more sensitive to blue color. हमारी जो eyes है वो blue color के लिए ज्यादा sensitive होती है ना, and therefore we see the sky bluish in color. Okay. So now with the help of diagram I am going to explain it again. Now I am going to draw the diagram and इसको फिर करते हैं. So this is the diagram here. This is the sun, and its light, we know it contains how many colors? 7 colors. So V, I, V, G, Y, O, R. Here also I have written. So it contains 7 colors. Means visible spectrum ये है ना, visible light हमारे को दे रहा है. And these rays, ये जो हम show कर रहे हैं, ये show कर रहे हैं rays को. Okay, तो ये हमारा light आ रहा है. This is the light rays which are coming from the sun here. And when on the way, this is the atmosphere. This is the atmosphere. तो इस atmosphere में when they interact with the fine particles of the atmosphere, तो ये fine particles हैं, very fine particles of oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, और इनके बराबर के size के जो दूसरे particles हैं, when it interact with them, तो this light is scattered. तो ये इस तरह से scatter हो जाती है. Okay, ये arrow हो गया, देखिए ना ये. So this is scattered in all direction. This is scattered in all directions here. So here some particles are being shown here. So this blue light, it is scattered all around. So small part of the blue light is scattered. So ये है blue color. Blue color of light is being scattered, and this is the sunlight. So when this blue light it reaches to us, scattered light, blue light which is scattered is reaching to us, we find the sky blue in color. What about the other colors? So other colors जो है जो बाकी colors है, green, yellow, orange and red, they are of higher wavelength. So they are almost not affected by the fine particles of the atmosphere. They are not scattered. Therefore, they reach to us as the part of the white light, visible light. Therefore, we find that sky is blue in color only. Blue in color. Any problem here? So, draw this diagram and try to understand. Hurry up. Okay, clear? So, remember, इसमें ध्यान रखेंगे फिर से कि wavelength of blue color is less than the wavelength of red color, है ना? So, red color से इसकी wavelength कम है. Okay, so blue color is scattered. So just I told you that a very small part of the blue color of light, blue color light is scattered, and most of the part remains the part of the visible light. So therefore, the light which is coming to us from the sun, we find it white light. We find it as a white light. While the while the sky, it appears bluish to us. Okay, any problem here? No. So now next topic we are going to discuss that if there is no atmosphere, तब क्या होगा? If there is no atmosphere, तब क्या होगा? So if there is no atmosphere means no particles present in the sky, and no particle means no interaction of light with particles. No interaction means no scattering of light will be there. when scattering of light will not be there, तो sky कैसे दिखेगा? अगर आप sky कैसा होगा? It will appear yes black. So if you happen to go to moon, okay, अगर आप astronaut बन जाएगा, and I wish you should become astronaut. So अगर आप moon पर जाएं, तो from moon if you see, और आप high altitude पर जाएं, तो if you see sky, it appears yes black. Because there is no atmosphere, so no particles to scatter the light, and we find sky is dark in color, means black in color. So I am going to rub it, and now next topic. So now next interesting topic, which is important for exams also, which is generally comes to our mind also. So why signals of danger are always red in color? And why sun in the morning and the evening, during sunrise and sunset, it is red in color. So sun appears red at sunset and sunrise. Why? We are going to discuss. Okay. And we have discussed Vibgyor. इसको भी हम याद रखेंगे. VIBGYOR. And wavelength is increasing this way. Okay. So this is the wavelength. So this means wavelength of red color is highest among all the colors of visible spectrum or visible light. This we have to remember. No? तो इसके लिए छोटा सा डायग्राम हम पहले ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अ डायग्राम. ओके. सो दिस इज द सन हियर, एंड देखिए दिस इज द सन हियर. यस, एंड इट कंटेन्स light of all colors. It is visible light. It is giving us visible light, means it is giving us white light. And here it is the position at noon. At noon. ये दो टॉपिक हमारे इसमें कवर हो जाएंगे. Okay, two topics we shall be covering here. And here is the observer. Okay, and yes, so we have to take the distance. So I am going to complete the diagram. I am going to complete the diagram. Okay, so this is the diagram here. To discuss sun appears red at sunset and sunrise. So at noon here, at noon sun is overhead. So sun is overhead होता है. So remember, sun is overhead. ये हमारे एकदम ऊपर होता है ना. Sun is overhead, and during this we know the distance from Earth, it is the least. So it is the small distance, less distance. Okay, or we can say it is least distance. Yes. So during noon, sun is at least distance from the earth, and in the morning and evening, जब sunset हो रहा है, sunrise हो रहा है, it is near the horizon, and it is the largest distance. It is the largest distance. So here ये जो distance है, this distance. So here I am taking from the center of the sun. हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे, फिजिक्स में हमेशा सेंटर से लेके चलते हैं. सो दिस डिस्टेंस, ये जो सेंटर से होगा सन के, और यहाँ ऑब्जर्वर अर्थ है यहाँ से, इट इज द लार्जेस्ट. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट डिस्टेंस हियर. तो सेम वे इट इज द लार्जेस्ट डिस्टेंस. ओके, तो डिस्टेंस हियर, ओके, आई एम राइटिंग डिस्टेंस आल्सो. लार्जेस्ट डिस्टेंस. यस. अब देखिए क्या होगा. नाउ रीजन बिहाइंड सन अपीयर्स रेड एट सनसेट एंड सनराइज. तो नाउ फर्स्ट वी ये डिस्कस करेंगे. दिस पोजीशन वी शैल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन. सो नाउ सन इज नियर होराइजन. एट दिस टाइम व्हाट हैपेंस, वी नो दैट व्हाइट लाइट और विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 7 कलर्स ऑफ लाइट, एंड वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट वायलेट का देखिए ये सबसे ये कम होता है किससे. आई एम राइटिंग दिस वे. Wavelength of violet is less than wavelength of indigo. It is less than blue, and it is less than green, and then wavelength is less than green का yellow से, और yellow का wavelength less होता है किसी orange से, और सबसे ज्यादा wavelength किसका होता है, red का. Okay, yes. So these colors are starting from here. Okay, all these colors are starting from here. Yes, all are starting from sun. जैसे रेस होती है, तो suppose 7 students are there in the race of 100 meter, and they are yes starting at the same time. एक ही साथ तोड़ना शुरू करते हैं. So here what happens, the wavelength of violet is least. Okay, wavelength of violet is least. तो सबसे पहले जो violet जो color होगा, and according to Rayleigh formula we know that intensity of scattered light is inversely proportional to fourth power of wavelength. Yes, तो इंटेंसिटी इस पे इनवर्स का रिलेशन है. तो वायलेट कलर हैविंग द लीस्ट वेवलेंथ क्या होगा? इट विल बी स्कैटर्ड फर्स्ट बिफोर रीचिंग टू अस. इट इज स्कैटर्ड ऑन द वे. ये सबसे पहले रेड कलर वायलेट कलर यही स्कैटर्ड हो गया. ठीक, पहुंचा ही नहीं बिकॉज सबसे वीक है. इस वेवलेंथ इज सबसे कम है बिकॉज वेवलेंथ इज लीस्ट. इसमें एनर्जी सबसे कम है. तो देयरफॉर इट कुडंट रीच टू द अर्थ. रास्ते में फिनिश. ऑल ऑफ द लाइट इज स्कैटर्ड. नाउ इंडिगो विल ट्रेवल मोर डिस्टेंस. थोड़ा सा इससे ज्यादा डिस्टेंस करेगा. स्कैटर होगा थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डिस्टेंस करेगा, है ना. तो इंडिगो कम्स हियर एंड इसने ये डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करा बिकॉज इस वेवलेंथ इज मोर देन वायलेट कलर. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फार्मूला scattering of indigo will be more scattering means थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस और कवर करा. तो here it is finished. It is not reaching to us. Now comes blue. तो ब्लू कलर भी होगा. तो ब्लू कलर की बात करें तो ब्लू जो है, yes, its wavelength is more than indigo. So blue color is also scattered, but its wavelength is less than green color. So it will cover more distance. अब इनको कहां से आना है? होराइजन से आना है. And it is the largest distance from the sun, from the earth, है ना. अर्थ पर हमें तो हमसे बहुत दूर है. तो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करना है? तो दिस लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ब्लू कलर इज नॉट एबल टू कवर. यस, so therefore it is also finished. Only very little part which is present in the sky that is visible to us. So it is finished here. After that green, ये थोड़ा और कवर कर लेता है डिस्टेंस. Okay, green because its wavelength is more. Okay, एक relationship ये ध्यान रखेंगे. Same way yellow will cover more distance than green. इसका scattering ज्यादा होगा लेकिन it is also finished on the way, है ना. ये भी रास्ते में फिनिश हो जाता है. उसके बाद में देखिए ग्रीन के बाद में येलो, थोड़ा सा येलो ने कवर करा. येलो एंड देन ऑरेंज. तो वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ना ऑरेंज. सो ऑरेंज इट कवर्स मोर डिस्टेंस देन येलो. मींस इसकी जो स्कैटरिंग है ये क्या होगा? इट इज स्कैटर्ड लीस्ट एंड देयरफॉर इट कवर्स मोर डिस्टेंस देन येलो. बट इट इज बिफोर रीचिंग टू अस इट इज आल्सो फिनिश्ड. ये भी हमारे तक नहीं पहुंच पाता. अब रेड कलर का वेवलेंथ क्या था? हाईएस्ट. तो रेड कलर हैज हाईएस्ट वेवलेंथ, है ना. हमने पढ़ा था कि रेड कलर हैज हाईएस्ट वेवलेंथ. दिस वी नो, हाईएस्ट वेवलेंथ. तो स्पेलिंग इसमें ठीक करेंगे, HIHEST, हाईएस्ट वेवलेंथ. तो वेवलेंथ रेड कलर का हाईएस्ट है. तो स्कैटरिंग क्या होगा इसका? स्कैटरिंग विल बी लीस्ट. दिस मींस ये कह सकते हैं इट इज हैविंग हाईएस्ट एनर्जी. सो इट विल ट्रेवल मोर. यही रेस जीतेगा. इट विल कवर मोर डिस्टेंस बिकॉज स्कैटरिंग क्या हो गया इसका? कम हुआ. तो जब इसका स्कैटरिंग ऑलमोस्ट कम हुआ और ऑलमोस्ट भी कह सकते हैं लीस्ट हुआ, तो इट रीचेस टू अस. तो सिर्फ रेड कलर जो है हमारे पर यहाँ पर पहुंचता है. एंड वी सी द सन रेडिश. और उस समय स्काई में भी देखा है तो रेडिश कलर ही आता है. तो वी सी द सन रेडिश ड्यूरिंग सनसेट एंड सनराइज. सेम केसेस हियर. ओके, गॉट इट. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. So sun, this is at noon, it is overhead, and we know that the light which is coming from the sun, which is the part of electromagnetic radiation, visible spectrum means visible light, contains 7 colors of light. Okay, and wavelength of red color is highest, wavelength of violet is less. So according to Rayleigh formula, scattering of all the colors is more than the scattering of red color. So therefore, before reaching to the earth from the sun during sunrise and sunset, they are scattered on the way and do not reach to us. But red color having the highest wavelength, scattered least and travel more distance and reaches to us. Travel more distance because scattered least. Okay, scattered least, travel more distance. Therefore, we see the sun red in color in the morning and in the evening. Any problem? Yes? तो यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं फिर scattering of red color is least. Scattering of red light is least, so cover highest distance, the largest distance. Any problem here? ठीक. अब बात आती है कि सर ड्यूरिंग नून जब ऊपर ऐसे देखें, उठाकर आंखें ऊपर देखें तो सन कैसा दिखाई देता है? इट इज येलोइश व्हाइट. ड्यूरिंग नून द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द सन फ्रॉम द अर्थ इज लीस्ट. सबसे कम होता है, परपेंडिकुलर होता है. परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज लीस्ट फ्रॉम ए गिवन पॉइंट. तो ये सबसे कम होता है. दिस मीन्स light which is coming to the sun, it has to travel least distance. यहां से यहां पर ज्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करना पड़ता है horizon पर जब होता है सन. और during noon light from the sun has to cover least distance. So therefore during this the scattering of all the color of the light is almost nil. So very small part of the blue color is scattered. Very small part of the blue color of the light is scattered. Therefore, all the colors of the light remain in the proper composition. Okay, proper percentage in white light which is coming from the sun. Therefore, we see the sun is white in color, or if we say it is yellowish white. Okay. Now you must have understood what is the reason behind this all the danger sign of red color. तो उनका रीजन यही है, because red color जो है, red color having the highest wavelength, it is scattered least and then travels longest distance. सबसे दूर तक चलता है. Highest wavelength, okay, among all the colors of visible spectrum, जब हाईएस्ट वेवलेंथ होगी तो इट विल ट्रेवल लॉन्गेस्ट डिस्टेंस, है ना. एंड स्कैटरिंग विल बी लीस्ट. स्कैटरिंग विल बी लीस्ट. ओके, इसको हम ऐसे लिख देते हैं. सो डिस्टेंस ऑफ लाइट डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू किसका हो गया? वेवलेंथ. एंड वेवलेंथ इज वेवलेंथ, है ना. तो रेड कलर का वेवलेंथ सबसे ज्यादा है, तो डिस्टेंस ये सबसे ज्यादा कवर करता है. एंड वेवलेंथ का रिलेशनशिप क्या था इंटेंसिटी ऑफ स्कैटर से? ये ओके दिस. तो स्कैटरिंग ऑफ वेवलेंथ, स्कैटरिंग ऑफ रेड कलर इज लीस्ट. ओके, एनी प्रॉब्लम हियर? तो देयरफॉर जो डेंजर साइंस हैं, दीज आर ऑलवेज ऑफ रेड कलर, बिकॉज फ्रॉम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रेड कलर without scattering means very small amount of scattering of red color is there, and it reaches to us. We find we can see the red color from long distance. यही रीजन है कि आप जितने भी हमारे व्हीकल्स हैं, ओके, उनके पीछे जो ब्रेक जब लगता है तो कौन सा लाइट दिखाई देता है? रेड कलर ही लाइट होता है ना. क्यों दूसरा कलर क्यों नहीं लिया? वो भी सुंदर कलर थे. दिस इज द रीजन दैट सो दैट इट कुड बी सीन फ्रॉम द लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन और भी हैं, अभी वो नेक्स्ट सेशन में करेंगे. व्हाई डू वी फाइंड क्लाउड्स व्हाइट इन कलर, समटाइम ब्लैक कलर में भी होते हैं. आजकल स्कूल की जितने भी बसेस हैं, ऑल द स्कूल बसेस दीज आर येलो इन कलर, है ना, येलो इन कलर. और फोग लाइट जो होती है व्हीकल्स की, फोग लाइट, तो फोग लाइट भी है येलो इन कलर होती है. क्यों होती है? दिस वी शैल डिस्कस इन अनदर सेशन. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग टुडे and will enjoy and continue to save water in the interest of the nation, because we get a lot from nature, we get a lot from our country, but what do we return? और अगर हम कुछ देते भी हैं, कहते हैं हम काम कर रहे हैं, तो for that we are being paid, so we have to save natural resources. So thank you very much to all of you.